Welcome to our tutorial on how to use search filters with From Anyone on X, Twitter, on your PC. Let's walk through the steps together. To get started, type your search query into the search box located at the top of the Twitter page. After entering your search query, the search results will display a variety of content such as posts, photos, accounts, and more. To refine your search results to show content from anyone, click on the Search Filters option. Within the Search Filters menu, select the From Anyone option to filter the results to show content from all users on Twitter. By utilizing the From Anyone filter, you can explore and engage with content from a wide range of users on X, Twitter, on your PC, expanding your search results to include content from all users. Thank you for joining us. We hope this tutorial has been informative in demonstrating how to use search filters with From Anyone on X, Twitter, on your PC. Enhance your search experience by discovering content from a diverse range of users and engaging with a variety of perspectives on Twitter.